Lo que espero es que vayamos a escuchar. Es muy importante escuchar antes que hablar. Y hay que escuchar a los que casi nunca se escuchan.
Estamos hablando de un cambio transformador. El cambio tiene que venir también para incluir a los pueblos indígenas, a las mujeres indígenas, a los jóvenes y a las niñas.
The GEF, as any other organization, needs to evolve. I think that can be done if we begin to put our eyes and our resources at other levels, like at the subnational level.
How do we deliver lasting, transformational change? We listen and we create the change together. The Global Environment Facility is holding its 7th GEF Assembly in Vancouver, bringing together 185 countries. The Assembly welcomes young leaders, Indigenous peoples, women, and local changemakers to the stage and the table. This inclusive approach reflects the GEF's new focus.
Mkutano wa kidunia wa mazingira kuwa jumuishi, maana yake ni kuona kwamba mashirika mbalimbali ya kijamii ama CSO watashiriki kwa wingi kutoka sehemu mbalimbali, lakini pia na vijana.
Youth are brave, strong, and inspiring. We are unapologetically loud on demanding climate action because we don't only hope, but we know we can have a clean and just future. Our voices and perspectives are not something to be feared in these conversations, but to be celebrated and embraced.
Ya es tiempo, como dicen los abuelos, ya es tiempo de que nos vayamos reencontrando, de que vayamos conversando, dialogando y recuperando y dándole mayor fuerza a nuestro conocimiento.
The Inclusive GEF Assembly Challenge Program is an example of how the GEF is turning ideas into action, supporting solutions from the ground up.
We have received a number of proposals, more than 500, all of them are great, but we really want to identify few organizations which are exemplary in nature and recognize them at the assembly. These proponents can really inspire us, not just other CSOs, but GEF, that how we should work and what support they need.
Another example is the Inclusive Conservation Initiative. Funding Indigenous-led initiatives helps value and support critical traditional knowledge systems that are protecting and restoring biodiversity around the world.
Y cómo lograrlo, ¿no? La inclusión inclusiva en este proyecto, y ir a ellos personalmente, conversar con ellos, cuál es su problemática, qué es el sentir de ellos, la convivencia con la naturaleza.
La inclusión es muy importante porque nos muestra la diversidad. La naturaleza es diversa, las sociedades somos diversas. Así que no podemos desligarnos de nuestra característica, ¿no? Igual que la naturaleza, tenemos que vernos desde este enfoque de diversidad.
What are we as a family trying to achieve? What is our North Star? And then, how do we mobilize? How do we mobilize the family to, work together? We celebrate our past, we recognize what we have in our present, and we unite as a GEF family for a more hopeful future in terms of a healthy planet, healthy people.